In this video, I will answer this question: what business can I do at home? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. Please remember to tell me in the comments under the video what problem you are experiencing. If you want to see any videos made on specific topics, please leave a comment under the video. Starting a business is a challenge, but today it is much easier than ever. But getting a business off the ground is only a problem you'll face if you can come up with a business idea to begin with. Whether you want to make some money on the side, run something when the kids are at school, or create the next Facebook, to make things a little easier for you to get going, I am going to tell you about some online home business ideas that you can do. Let's take a look at these home business ideas. Idea number 1, blogging. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the first business models to arise from the invention of the internet. Blogs are online magazines in a niche that people read for advice, information, and resources. Examples of popular blogs include TechCrunch, which started as a hobby and turned into a business that was acquired for around $25 million, BuzzFeed for trending millennial news topics, and Entrepreneur Handbook for advice on starting, managing, and running a business in the UK. Over 4.4 million blogs are published every day, and this is growing due to an increase in amateur bloggers and the entire publishing industry shifting towards a purely online model. Given this, the blogging space is extremely competitive, but there is still room for new entries. To get started blogging, you'll need to decide on what niche you're going to cover. Popular areas include business, beauty, lifestyle, and finance, although there are many more. You'll also need to have a good understanding of search engine marketing, design, content marketing, writing, editing, and use of most major digital marketing mechanisms, social, email, and notifications. Next, you'll need to purchase your domain name, set up hosting, and create a blog-style website using a website builder or WordPress. You can also use platforms like YouTube or Vimeo if you're video blogging. Make sure your website is mobile friendly and has a responsive design. Today, over 50% of your readership will view your blog using mobile devices. Then you can set up Google Analytics to view readership statistics and make sure you're GDPR compliant. Blogs by default have massive exposure when it comes to processing and storing personal data. Now you'll need to put together a content plan. You can use Keyword Planner for basic keyword research. Developing a strong content plan will be key to your success and can take at least 2 to 3 weeks. Now it's time to create your social profiles, newsletter templates, and captures and put together an ongoing marketing plan to grow and retain your audience through these channels. Blogs are still primarily monetized through display advertising. The simplest way to get started with this is to apply to join AdSense, pay-per-click and per 1,000 visitor impressions, and place relevant ads in best performing positions on your blog, in content, header, footer, and sidebar. Blogs that focus on a field or niche where the content aligns with specific products or services are also able to effectively monetize through affiliate marketing, marketing a separate company's product and taking a commission off any sales. For blogs relevant to B2B, you can also explore lead generation and collecting details or interest from readers to buy a particular product or service, then selling that lead to a direct supplier or third-party provider. Blogging is a very competitive game, but new blogs are started every day that end up becoming successful and profitable. It's not a quick way to make money online, but it's a relatively low cost to start and grow business. Idea number 2, buy and sell on eBay. eBay is a marketplace auction where you can buy and sell virtually any new or second-hand goods you can think of. Many fortunes have been made and continue to be made by savvy buyers and sellers on eBay. Buying and selling on eBay is an art form. There are many bargains and undervalued items you can find, correctly relist on the platform, and make a profit. You can also buy from other platforms such as Alibaba and resell on eBay to make a big profit. Alternatively, if you lack the funds needed to buy inventory up front, Drop shipping on eBay could be the better solution as you won't need to purchase or hold stock. To get started on eBay, you'll need to set up an eBay business account and PayPal business account, and you'll need to go through verification, which can take time. Then you need to define what niche of products you're going to buy and sell through your eBay shop. At this point, it's all about hunting for deals on and off the platform to then resell for a profit. The market can quickly change, so you'll need to constantly adjust for most niches what you're buying and selling to stay profitable. When it comes to selling, presenting of eBay listings is critical to sale volume and price. Make sure to have high quality photos and provide a clear item description such as condition, delivery times and so forth. In many cases, the correct presentation can increase the final auction price by up to 20%. You also need to make sure your items are categorized correctly and have the right titles so buyers can find your item through eBay and be incentivized to click through to your product listing. Start small, buy products, then repackage them or enhance them and sell them for profit. There's potential of going on to build an extremely profitable business if you can persevere and make smart decisions. Now, the next thing to do if you want help starting or growing your online business, click the link in the description under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, and you can have a look at all of the online training courses available. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be alerted straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect with us on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.